What's up, Kia 2 Technical? So today, as you can see, the kind people over at i-Blason was kind enough to send me out their Cosmo clear case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So we're just gonna unbox this. I'm gonna let you know how I feel about it being on the device, and then I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. So first, let's get this opened real quick. This is what you are greeted with. So it has a 9H tempered glass screen protector already installed. So let's pull that off real quick. And there is some adhesive. Let's drop that on my device. I currently do have another screen protector under there also, and I'm just gonna leave that one on. But this is what the front is gonna look like. So now let's put the back on. And I love that this case has a matte finish to it. But as you can already see, if you're gonna rock this case, you can't rock it with the screen protector. So we're gonna have to pull off that screen protector that I currently have on there. Because it's one built in to the screen already. So pull that off. And just put this on like so. Make sure all the dirt, dust, and grime is out of there. Once it is, snap it on like so. And this is the look and feel you're going to get with this case on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. I do like it. It adds a little bulk to it, but not too much. Not nothing that I couldn't get used to, but it does add a little bulk. But the bulk comes from having this hinge protection on there. So maybe if it didn't have the hinge protection, you would get excuse me, a better look and feel. But that hinge protection is there, and it also doubles as your kickstand. As you can see, you can use that as your kickstand. I don't know if I'm a fan of the I'm not a big fan of having this hinge because it adds a tad bit of bulk, but overall this does look nice. You do not get that much lip when you open up the device. You get a little bit, but not that much. You get access to your power button, volume up and down button, nice and clicky. On the back here, you get a nice cutout for your cameras. So if you drop your phone flat down on the camera, you should be good to go. You also get access to your MagSafe ring. So let's bring over something that has a magnet in it. It's a strong magnet. You don't have to worry about it not holding on. Let's see, access to wireless charging. Just like that, no problem. You also have access to MagSafe wireless charging, at least you should. Well, nope, you will not, because this is too bulky, so you will not get to use a MagSafe charger with this case because it's not picking up the magnet, and the camera bar is in the way, so just keep that in mind. But excuse me, overall, i-Blason makes some nice cases looking and feeling cases for a good price. It's just I don't care for that hinge because it makes this device even more bulkier. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.